Today in this video, we are going to clear all caches from Windows 10 in 11 or any other PC. It's very easy and make sure you watch the video till the end. After clearing all caches from your computer, the performance of your computer will be way better than earlier and it will load faster. So let's get started. At first, press Windows plus R to open this run dialog box. Here, we need to type prefetch and click on OK. It will ask you for permission. Click on continue and then select all the files with Ctrl plus A, and you just need to press Shift and delete key on a keyboard and select S. So we have permanently deleted prefetch cache from our PC. Then the next thing to do is press Windows plus R again to open this run window, and this time we will type temp and click on OK. Give the permission by clicking on continue. Select all the files with Ctrl plus A and press Shift plus delete. Click on S and here click on skip because some files cannot be deleted. Click on do this for all current items and click on skip. And the next thing to do is press Windows plus R again, and this time we will type %temp and click on OK. And we will do same thing for all the chunks. Click on Shift plus delete. Click on S. Click on skip. Click on do this for all current items and click on skip. You can simply click on cancel also after they are deleted because some files cannot be deleted. Now the final thing to do this is to press Windows plus R once again, and this time we will type clean mgr and click on OK. So it will open up disk cleanup driver selection, and here select the drive that you want to clean. I'm selecting C and click on OK. And over here check all the boxes, so you delete all the temporary files, thumbnails and other shared caches and click on OK. Click on delete files. If you like this video, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.